Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of rare diseases. These conditions are not only fascinating but also crucial to understand for advancing medical science. Think about it, each rare disease offers a unique glimpse into the human body. By studying them, we can uncover new pathways, identify potential therapeutic targets, and ultimately develop better treatments for everyone. We're going to explore 10 rare diseases, some you might have heard of, and others that might surprise you. Let's get started. Hutchinson-Gilford Progeria syndrome, or Progeria for short, is an incredibly rare genetic condition that causes accelerated aging in children. Imagine a child aging at nearly 10 times the rate of their peers. Sadly, most children with progeria don't live past their late teens. The hallmark of progeria is the appearance of premature aging. Children with this condition often have a distinctive appearance: growth delays, hair loss, a small face with a small lower jaw, and often heart problems. Despite the challenges, children with progeria often display remarkable resilience and a zest for life. Fibrodysplasia. Ossificans progressiva, or FOP is a mouthful, isn't it? But the name gives us a clue about the condition. Fibro refers to fibrous tissue. Dysplasia means abnormal growth, ossificans relates to bone formation, and progressiva indicates that it's a progressive disease. In essence, FOP causes soft tissues like muscles, tendons, and ligaments to gradually transform into bone. Imagine your body slowly turning to bone, restricting your movement more and more each day. That's the reality for people with FOP. It's like your own body is working against you. You might be surprised to learn that Stoneman Syndrome is actually another name for FOP. It's a more descriptive term, really, painting a picture of the condition's devastating effects, turning sufferers into living statues. Imagine the fear and frustration of feeling your muscles stiffen, knowing that one day they might be locked in place forever. There's currently no cure for FOP, but research continues, offering hope for the future. Now, let's talk about Field's disease, a condition so rare that there are only 2 known cases in the entire world. Both cases are in twin sisters, Catherine and Kirsty Fields from the UK. Imagine being one of only 2 people on the entire planet with a particular condition. Field's disease is a neuromuscular disorder that progressively weakens muscles, impacts speech, and causes debilitating pain. Despite their challenges, the Field sisters have shown incredible strength and determination, advocating for research and raising awareness about their condition. Alkaptonuria might sound like something out of a Harry Potter potion class, but it's a real metabolic disorder. It disrupts the body's ability to break down a substance called homogentisic acid. This buildup leads to a fascinating, albeit alarming, symptom. The urine of individuals with alkaptonuria turns black when exposed to air. Now imagine going to the doctor and saying, "My pee turns black." It's certainly a conversation starter. Paraneoplastic Pemphigus, or PNP, is a rare and serious autoimmune blistering disorder. The term paraneoplastic is a clue that it's often associated with an underlying cancer. Imagine your immune system, which is supposed to protect you, turning against your own skin cells. PNP causes painful blisters and lesions to form on the skin and mucous membranes. Diagnosing and treating PNP can be challenging, as it often mimics other skin conditions. Erdheim-Chester Disease, or ECD, is a mouthful even for a doctor. It's a rare type of histiocytosis, which is a fancy way of saying it involves an overproduction of certain immune cells called histiocytes. These excess cells can infiltrate various organs, leading to a wide range of symptoms. Imagine having too many of a particular type of cell in your body, causing problems in different places. It's like having an army of cells that don't know when to stand down. Methemoglobinemia is a blood disorder that disrupts the oxygen-carrying capacity of red blood cells. Our red blood cells contain a protein called hemoglobin, which carries oxygen throughout the body. In methemoglobinemia, a specific form of hemoglobin called methemoglobin builds up in the blood. Here's the catch. Methemoglobin can't carry oxygen as efficiently as regular hemoglobin. This can lead to a bluish discoloration of the skin, a condition known as cyanosis. Imagine turning blue because your blood isn't carrying enough oxygen. Hyper-IgM syndrome, or IgM, is a rare immunodeficiency disorder. Our immune system relies on antibodies, also known as immunoglobulins, to fight off infections. IgM is one of the classes of antibodies. In IgM, the body produces an excessive amount of IgM antibodies, but doesn't produce enough of other types of antibodies. Imagine your immune system having a surplus of one type of soldier, but a shortage of others. It makes it difficult to fight off a variety of infections. Kuru, also known as the laughing sickness, is an incredibly rare and always fatal neurodegenerative disorder. It was once prevalent in Papua New Guinea and was linked to a ritualistic practice of consuming the brains of deceased relatives. Kuru is caused by prions, which are misfolded proteins that can trigger other proteins to misfold as well. This chain reaction damages brain cells, leading to severe neurological problems. Imagine a domino effect of protein misfolding, wreaking havoc on your brain. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more medical insights. Stay healthy and curious. We've only scratched the surface of the world of rare diseases. There are thousands more out there, each with its own unique challenges and opportunities for medical discovery. By learning about rare diseases, we can help raise awareness, support research efforts, and ultimately make a difference in the lives of those affected by these conditions. Remember, knowledge is power, and together we can make a difference.